Absolutely. Just getting that in jurors' mind, dog bite. This lady thinks it was a dog bite, you know.
And she showed
whether
them
you're right.
the dog bite and how it could make it. She's a doctor saying that. I think it can. While they get in that sidebar, let's bring in national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, I want to go back to the cross of this witness by the Commonwealth. They really seem to lean into this idea that bite mark isn't science isn't a science. It's what's generally accepted now. There have been convictions that have been overturned based on people being matched to scenes because of the bite marks left and comparing their bite mark print to that. But it's not completely junk science is what this witness is saying in terms of recognizing animal versus human. Your thoughts on the effectiveness of that theory during cross?
I think in the closing argument, the prosecutor is going to basically dispense of this witness by saying the last time she did any of this was back in 1995. The science is not clear. She didn't even know, she was not even aware that there was no canine DNA on the victim, and she came into the game late in the game. So you should just discard her. At the beginning of this case, I said that the jury is going to be seeing a Rorschach test when they go to decide this case. This is part of the Rorschach test. The defense is doing what they need to be doing, which is creating more distractions in the Rorschach test. I would count this witness as part of that, right? Yeah, could it have been a dog? Could she be right? Maybe, but at the end of the day, you know, this is going to be one piece. The prosecution had 8 weeks of testimony, right? I'm sure the defense is going to have almost as much, if not more, maybe a little bit less, but a lot. I would say that in the final analysis, this witness, I don't think she's going to be this big, grandiose type. The judge is not even letting her answer the last question and sustaining objections, which shows you kind of where this fits into the whole grand parameter of the case.